Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y72, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and find the hotspot toggle. Between the toggles, for me it's right over here. So once you find it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can simply tap on Wi-Fi hotspot and start off by changing the password. Now when you tap on it, it will show you the default randomly generated one, but as you can see, it's not the easiest thing to remember or write down. So what I advise you to do is simply remove this one and set your own. And that password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. And additionally, you can also change things like AP band. If your device supports 5 GHz, I do recommend going for it. The connection is stable and faster over the 2.4. The downside is not every device will support it, specifically the older devices, meaning like 2015 might not, so just keep that in mind. And lastly, we have hotspot name, which just determines the name of the Wi-Fi that the device will create. By default, it's just the name of the device itself, so fairly easy to remember. And actually, last thing that I'll mention, this toggle right here, turn off hotspot automatically. I do recommend having this enabled. What it does is, once you're not using the hotspot, for instance you just disconnected from it or just stopped using it, the phone will, after a specific time of inactivity, simply turn it off. And the reason this is good is because hotspot does consume more of your battery, so when it's enabled permanently, your battery will drain significantly quicker, so this will just kind of help you preserve your battery. But anyway, once you have gone through all the settings, customize them to your liking, all you need to do is simply toggle it on by tapping on the toggle, like so. That's how you turn it on, and to turn it off, you can also do it the same way by tapping on it again, or by waiting for it to turn off automatically. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.